free service call is not only for home performance, but for any troubles that might arise with your air conditioning and heating. We don't have any service call for anything, and we'll give you advice absolutely free of charge for that. We do the blower door testing, meaning that it's a negative air pressure test on your house to test the envelope of the home. So we offer those services, and there's a coupon right now that's usually a $397 test, and we're doing them right now this time of year for $297. So there's $100 off of any negative pressure test. Again, that's after the free site evaluation.